So ViceLink has this 45 in 1 set here that's, well, this one's pink. And if you like pink, this would be a great little screwdriver set for you. They're alloy steel screwdriver bits. You also get a shaft extension rod, tweezers, and the screwdriver handle, plus all of these little bits right here, it says on the back. One of the things I love about this is you have this open button, and when you open it, you watch the screws actually stand at attention. It's actually really cool. So when you go down, it pushes them down to fit in the box, and then you press it, and then they pop up. So now you can take whichever screw you need, and there's a lot of different attachments here, and they all tell you down there, they all tell you what they are so you can easily keep track of them. So I'll take this just tiny little flat head right there, and here is the little screwdriver. I could put it in nice and sturdy, and then you can be, you know, screwing or unscrewing whatever you need to with this precision set. Again, you have little tweezers if you really need to get something tiny. Look at that. And then you have your extension rod where you can pop this in, and then you can put that bit in the extension part. So if you have something that's a bit further away, you can easily get to it. And yeah, it's really cool. It's a great little set for anyone that doesn't have one, that needs some kind of screwdriver set in their lives. I mean, if you're a fan of the color pink, I think you'll enjoy this very much. So there's other colors you can choose from. Yeah. So it's very small and compact, and also has a little flip out cutout here where you can hang this on the wall if you need to for easy access. It's really cool. Like it a lot. This is a ViceLink, and highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.